So we've just installed Tablet Pro and I'm just going to explain a few of the modes. Looking at the settings, we have full screen mode, float mode, artist pad mode and gamepad mode. So let's just see those modes. So we have full screen mode. I've got a couple of things set. Float mode, artist pad mode, we have gamepad mode, we have quick panel that can be moved. So we have, with these modes, some modes can be used at the same time, such as we can have artist pad and gamepad at the same time. We can have float and gamepad at the same time. We can have full screen and gamepad at the same time. Let's just turn these off. Quick panel's kind of handy, so let's go to the settings. Okay, inside these different modes, we have different gestures. We have full screen mode, we have 1 finger, 2 finger, 3, 4, and 5. You can see they're slightly different. Same as float mode, which is the mode that we're currently in now. We have 1 finger, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's set up a basic gesture. Float mode, we can set up a gesture for 3 fingers. Click gesture. At the moment it's got 3 fingers, swipe up will show the touch keyboard, 3 fingers swipe down. And so if we, oopsies, didn't click apply, inside, so nothing happens. However, if we do it inside the gesture window, it'll occur. Make it a little bit bigger so it's easier, and you can see 3 fingers up, keyboard shows, 3 fingers down, keyboard hides. So we go full screen mode. Let's set up that same gesture. Swipe up, swipe down, make sure you click apply. Let's jump to full screen mode. 3 fingers up, 3 fingers down, 3 fingers up, 3 fingers down. You can jump between full screen mode and float mode by pinching over a great distance. Just one thing to understand with the different modes of full screen mode and float mode, so some differences in how these two modes run, is in regards to the float mode, you get your standard Windows touch interface as well as a trackpad virtually on the screen. So an example of how this mode can work is, say on a website you can use your normal Windows interface to pinch and zoom to look around a website, as well as you can then come along to the trackpad and start highlighting text as you would if you had a trackpad, which is really handy. So you can highlight text, right click, as well as you can highlight text with your mouse, so with your finger as you would in Windows. Now when you go to full screen mode, you lose the ability of 1 finger gestures. However, you gain the gestures of Tablet Pro. So there's 2 finger scrolling in Tablet Pro that are set up inside Tablet Pro's settings, as can be seen here. So we have 2 finger gestures is right wheel and right click, and we can fully customize and enable to our needs.